All right, counter and steer trader back with a NR7 trade. So couple, it was NZD, which was the big mover for the day. I hate I missed it. I took this and then I got out. But in any event, so here's what happened. NZD had news last night at 10 o'clock, which is this candle right here. I'm not big on trading news, but anyone who went short here got destroyed because you had your NR7 range right here, which was the prior day, right? And then there was a short signal here to sell the breakout. So there was one, but this is a case where you would have traded both sides of the range. So that only went down to about 37 pips. The best trade to take actually would have been right here. The signal did fire right here after news had already came out at 4, actually 5 a.m. right here, anticipating the breakout. I got in, but then I got out because the price had already used its ADR for today. It only New Zealand CAD only has a 50 pip or so ADR, and by the time price was already up here from its open, yeah, it was right at, as you can see, about 50 pips. So I said, man, it might just top around for the rest of the day. I don't know, but boy, was I wrong. It broke out of the range and kept right on going. So from the entry signal onward, it went up another 43 pips or so. So, I mean, if you'd have put your stop loss below the candle that broke out, which was right here, which allows for the tightest stop, but also can give the biggest risk to reward. So, I mean, at least a one to three, like right there, wait, right here. Okay, there you go. But again, I guess this is another case where sometimes the range will play out on both sides. So again, the end in our 7 range here, narrow range, downside got a little action, and then the upside got a little action too. So if you get stopped out on a downside, you can possibly switch your bias. I wouldn't make a habit of doing that, but just know it is an option. The only other one I want to bring out is Pound New Zealand. That one just went too far. I still could have hopped into this because, as we can see, Pound New Zealand is down over 200 pips. But same deal, where it was just when the news broke and I saw that it was down so far. Let me see. Yeah, news broke right here. This is the 10 o'clock candle. So just straight, the entry would have been like right here, but this was during the news. So in like minutes, it was down like over 100 pips. I said, well, I guess that's just that. But even if you'd have got in, let's just say if you wanted to try the retrace right here at midnight, price went down another 153 pips. So if you missed the first entry on the breakout, maybe try to get a retrace. You know, nothing's guaranteed, obviously, but is an option for you. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is a big old fair value gap right here as well. It's not highlighted, but it is there. So, but yeah, this was a tremendous move to the downside here. So, but again, it's a break. It starts with the narrow range, and you just want to see straight breakout price action. This is what you want to see. Anything else, it may not be a real breakout. Okay, because breakout should be just relentless. Okay, and just moving in a unidirection. Not a lot of consolidation, etc., etc. So, two good trades for the day. Like I said, I wish I took them, but I did not. But or stayed in the one I was in. But hopefully you guys caught some. Definitely stay tuned for more videos and things of that nature. Be sure to like and subscribe, and have a great rest of your day. Take care.